everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another daily vlog. So guys, yes, as the title says, I had to save a ruined cake. Now it's my sister's birthday tomorrow. I have twin sisters. I don't know if you all know that, but I have twin sisters. Here, Tanvi and Apurva. That's my sister Sia. That's me. I don't know if you can see it. That's me. And this is our latest picture. So guys, it's their birthday tomorrow and I thought why not surprise them with a cake to cut at tonight at 12 a.m. obviously, and usually Tanvi is the one who bakes cakes and all of that, but I really wanted to surprise them by getting a cake. Now I can bake a cake but it's not as good, so I thought I shall order one. I won't take the name of the cafe from which I ordered the cake, but when the cake arrived the cream on top was completely ruined and spoiled. I'll put up pictures for you guys to see. And then I tried to make the cake a little more presentable. I shall put the pictures here again. So this is how the cake turned out, and it's some orange truffle kind of a cake and I'm very excited for them to cut it. But today I'm going to vlog my day. Also a life update, the AC in our room is not working. It's so hot outside these days and the AC is not working. So two men have come and they are cleaning the AC and all of that. They are just working on it. So till then we cannot enter that room. We have to spend our time in this room or the other room, and I don't know what I'm going to do because I cannot stay without AC. So yes, please watch the vlog till the end to find out what happens. And yes, let's go for lunch. It's just 1 p.m. I don't have lunch so soon. I have lunch at around 1:30, 1:45. So yeah, let's go. So guys, it's now 1:15 p.m. and I just came to tell you all that I am running a giveaway on my page Miss Bharne on Instagram. It's not exactly that I am running the giveaway, it's by another brand and I am just collaborating with them for the giveaway. And you can win an iPad, iPhone, and there are many 2-3 other options that you can choose from. I'll put up the picture here and also a link to my Instagram page Miss Bharne in the description below. So go check out, follow, participate and win some prizes. So guys, my sister just came back from work and I'm going to show her this cake and yell surprise! Surprise! I go surprise! Hangayon po. So guys, they have fixed the AC and they have left. Thank you so much. And now we can sleep peacefully in this hot weather. So guys, it's about 4:30 p.m. right now and I'm in the mood for some nice Maggi noodles and a hot mug of coffee. I know it's very hot, but coffee is coffee, guys. And tea is tea. I need tea first thing in the morning and I need coffee in the afternoon. Like, that's a must. However hot it might be, I need coffee in the afternoon. So guys, I'm going to be making Maggi and it's been a long time since I've had Maggi. And the style that I make it in, I make my Maggi very spicy. I add chili powder or ketchup. I add all of those spicy things to it and I just enjoy my Maggi. So yes, let's go and make some Maggi and coffee. Maggi. And my coffee is ready. And I've added a lot of red chili powder, a little ketchup to it, so it's looking very red. Cut it. Perfect. Do comment and tell me what kind of Maggi do you like spicy Maggi or sweet Maggi. Do you add some vegetables to it or do you add something else to it? So guys, I will end my vlog here and I will continue the birthday vlog tomorrow. We are not doing anything exciting. Obviously we cannot go out because of COVID and we are going to be staying at home, ordering something maybe or cooking at home. and I will show you guys the cake cutting and everything in my next video if I can. If my sisters are okay with me adding them in the vlog or in the video, or you know, them coming in front of the camera, I will show you guys. Otherwise I will show you how the cake looks when it's cut. It's like an orange truffle chocolate cake, dark chocolate cake. So yes. So I'm gonna sit and edit this video now, and I'm gonna post it today at 9 p.m. So make sure you guys watch it, check it out, subscribe, show me some love, give this video a big like, and support me. Subscribe, click on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free for you, but it's a lot for me. So yes, I will see you guys in my tomorrow's vlog, and yes, do come for the next